Hi, welcome to Technoland Expart. This video is dedicated to student trying to provide free learning platform. Holography is a technique that records and reconstructs 3D images using the principles of light, wave interference and diffraction. What is a hologram? A hologram is a three-dimensional image created by the interference pattern of laser light, reflected off an object and recorded on a special medium. When this pattern is illuminated with a laser or specific light, it reconstructs the light wavefront, allowing the viewer to see a 3D image. Basic steps in holography. Laser illumination. A laser beam is split into two, the reference beam and the object beam. The object beam reflects off the object and meets the reference beam on a photographic plate or sensor. Their interference pattern is recorded, encoding depth, shape, and texture. When the hologram is illuminated with the reference beam again, the original light waves are recreated, producing a 3D image visible without glasses. Applications applied for medical imaging, holographic MRI views, data storage, military, holographic maps, augmented and mixed reality, education and exhibitions. Holographic animation using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. While real holography requires physical light manipulation, web design can simulate holographic effects visually using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, especially for educational demos, games, or futuristic UI. CSS creates holographic illusions by applying glowing edges, using box shadow and text shadow. Neon colors, bright cyan, magenta, green hues simulate laser-like visuals. Transparency, opacity and RAWBA, for ghost-like images. Animation at keyframes and transform for rotation, pulsation, or floating effects. 3D perspective. Using transform, rotate 3D, and perspective to fake depth. JavaScript brings dynamic control and interactivity. Animate movement or hover effects with request animation frame. Adjust depth, rotation, or transparency based on user input. Create holographic sound-reactive visuals using the Web Audio API. Build 3D environments with 3.js or Babylon.js. Simulate real-world holograms by manipulating CSS variables and DOM states. Uses light interference, uses glowing visuals and 3D effects. Requires laser plus medium, requires web browser plus animation styling. Creates true 3D images, creates illusion of depth and motion. Holography is a physical light-based process, but with HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, you can simulate holographic effects for educational demos, sci-fi themes, or animated web experiences. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe.